Start with a blank canvas and place a textured image as your background. Then go to Elements and add a shape. Increase its size so it covers the area you want, and change the color to match your overall aesthetic. After that, decrease the transparency to let the background texture come through softly. Next, go back to Elements. Type in Frame Oval and choose a style that fits your design. Add it to the canvas and tweak the shape as needed. Then upload your image and drop it directly into the frame. Next, add your logo and a few floral or decorative elements that match your aesthetic. I simply typed flowers into Elements and selected a graphic that fit the design. After that, add your text, whether it's a quote or a few words that capture the vibe. Use a refined, elegant font to make the design feel more high-end. At this stage, add every key detail you want to communicate. For a store flyer, that usually means the brand name, the days it's open, and the operating hours. Then refine the overall look. Make sure everything feels cohesive, with balanced spacing and clean alignment. You can leave it here or add one final element. I added gold for contrast. And that's it, a professional flyer in under 5 minutes. Subscribe for more.